My hair is an accident pixie cut, but here's a routine I figured out so far. I always like to do a double shampoo, so I'm actually starting with this dandruff shampoo from CVS. I'm applying it before I get in the shower because I want it to sit on my scalp for at least 5 minutes. Next, I'm going in with the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate line. I'm using their shampoo, their leave-in mask, and then their leave-in treatment. This line is meant for people who have damaged hair, whether it be from heat styling or hair dye. This will have your hair feeling so soft and moisturized, like it'll feel so silky as if you had like leave-in conditioner in. I'm realizing that these type of haircuts look better with a lot of definition versus a lot of volume. For that reason, I started using the foam mousse from Kiss, and girl, when I tell you I be putting it on, okay, I make sure I saturate that hair when it's very, very wet. You never want to style curly hair when it's dry. And then I kind of play with it by scrunching, using a Denman brush, and diffusing. I don't know, y'all, but I feel like I'm getting better day by day. Okay, love you. Bye.